As you may know, Justin Bieber is suffering from facial paralysis. This is a shocking news for his fans. So let us create a text effect poster in Photoshop to show some respect. So from this video, you will learn how to create a text poster, and also you will learn what is displace map and how to use it in Photoshop. I will guarantee you're going to learn something interesting from this video. Welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Let's begin. So let's create the poster now. So to do that, first you need a bunch of text. So let's try to create a text that covers up this entire area, and then that goes around, that goes above his face and follows the ups and downs on the face. Okay. Then we will create a displace map to apply it on the text layer. So go to adjustment layer, create black and white. So just play with a little bit until you are happy with it. Go to layer, right click, duplicate the layer, okay, and convert these two layers as a smart object. Now you need to save this. Save it as a PSD file, okay, and call this as a displace. Save. Now come back and do a text layer. So select the text, adjust the text sizes, keep it as 16, make it as a white or black color, and give them the line spacing as well. You can adjust this later, but still anyway. Draw a text box and play with the sizes. Okay. Now copy and paste. That's pretty much it. Okay, you see, I think this is okay. Now let's convert this text layer into a smart object. Okay. Now go to filter, distort, displace, and this is horizontal and vertical case. Leave it as 5 now, otherwise it's going to be bumping up too much. Let's keep it as 5 now. Say OK. Now select the displace map which you have saved. See, it has actually displaced, so it started following it. Okay. Now we need to make this layer to clip it. So just simply right click and create a clipping layer and fill this with black color. See, amazing. So this is very good. Now let's open the displace map. Okay, you zoom here, you see this portion and you see this portion a bit sharp. So if you go to displace map and then select the layer, give it a little blur, a slight Gaussian blur. Okay, I think this is good. Say OK. Now come back, save it, come back to here and remove the displace map which you have already here applied. Select the layer again, go to filter, distort, displace. Leave it as it is, say OK. Select the displace map. You see the difference now? It's not very sharp, it's very smooth. So that's the advantage of having a smoothness in the displace map. Yeah, so now if you go and put anything in this layer, that would do. So let's create something like, say, Justin Bieber, stay strong, something like that. Okay. And increase the font size. Say OK, and then turn on the layer before and okay, position it. Okay, save it, come back here, you see. So you just go back and play with the text layer. So if you try to position it, so wherever you want, just simply position it wherever you want. You play with it. That's it. Yeah, so if you want to add some color to it, so select that. Okay, add red color to it, save it, come back here. You will not see it. So basically you need to select this layer and go to luminosity. You see here, this is quick. So you can play with whatever you want, whatever shapes, whatever you put it in this layer, it's going to be displacing from the displace PSD which you have provided. That's it. So if you want to put it on the forehead, just move it up, see, it's amazing. Very nice. That's it for now. I hope this was very helpful. If you like this video, I would appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would give me a motivation to do more videos. And if you specifically want to know any trick, kindly do let me know in the comments below. I will try my best to make a video. Thanks for watching.